like either 1.5 to 2 weeks. Anyway, hi my baby loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna be doing another, you know what it is, another hair review. This one is from Eva wigs from Aliexpress. I've gotten this, they sent me this in about like 2 weeks. Yeah, because of the virus going around, they sent me this in about like either 1.5 to 2 weeks. Anyway, this is a 150 density wig. This is a curly wig and it's a lace frontal. The measurements I believe are 13 by, let me look down, I'm sorry y'all. 13 by 6 lace frontal. This is pre-plucked as well. This is my first time having a frontal and I didn't have to pluck it at all. Of course I had to separate the baby hairs, cut it. But other than that, I didn't have to do nothing to it. This is a flip over thing going on and it also is a little wet, so when it dries it does get thicker than this. I would say that this is a really good beginner friendly wig because this is my first time, again it's my first time doing the frontal, and I didn't have any struggle putting this on. Well, let me not lie, I did struggle. This is my first time putting it on, so I did struggle a little bit putting it on, but other than that this is really good for beginner friendly as far as like plucking and anything like that. It came with lace in the back as well as in the front, of course. It came with combs, I believe right here, so 2 on this side. I think there's 1 back here as well as 2 on this side. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, so I'm not too sure, my memory is pretty bad, but I will insert a clip of how it looks and the construction of the cap. Construction is really good. There's also drawstrings built into it so you can tighten it, and that helped me a lot as well because I'm using 1 comb right here as well as a drawstring, and I didn't have any problems with like slipping and sliding. This is a glueless install because I'm not advanced like that. I gotta learn the glue, but this is a glueless install. A ball. Oh, it came with this wig cap. It came with 2 wig caps, and it also came with one of these as well. Mine frayed, but honestly I didn't have to use this, and I don't know if y'all would have to use this unless your head is like extra small, but I didn't need to sew this on. But it does come out, it does come with this so you can tighten it. I don't know if DHL was angry, I don't know what's going on, but my box came a little beat up. But this is the boxing. This is the packaging of it. So I didn't do this, y'all. This was DHL's fault, but that was the packaging of it. It came in some pretty nice packaging, and when I took the wig out, I took it out of this bag right here. I didn't put any product in this wig. Let me not lie, I put product, like of course to lay my edges, and I put a little foam or mousse on this side of my hair so it can lay flat or lay flatter than what it was doing. But other than this, I didn't touch this side with any product. I did put a little product in the front as well. This hair is dry in this area, but it's a little still a little damp in this area. So hey y'all, I'm editing right now, so I'm filming my front camera, and I did want to mention that this is how the hair looks when it's dry. It does get bigger. I also want to come back and tell y'all about the tint of the lace. When I was editing, I noticed I didn't really mention it. The tint of the lace was actually pretty good. I didn't have to put no makeup on it. I didn't have to bleach the knots or anything like that. Again, this is the pattern of the hair when it's dry. I don't have any product in it, but okay, I'm done talking now, y'all. Let's just go back to the video. As far as shading, I had to take it from the brush, but I got this much shading from it. This is about how much shading I get each time I brush it, honestly. As far as tangling, I don't have any problems tangling around the hair, especially in the nape area. You know how like curly hair tangles in the nape terribly, but I haven't had this hair for that long, so I will do another update on it. I know when I first got the hair, it had a little scent to it, so you do have to condition that to get that scent out. But other than that, I didn't have no problems, honestly. I will update you guys on a either 2-month review or a 1-month review update. But other than that, Okay, y'all, so just let me hurry up before the lighting try to do me dirty again. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing. And I'll just talk to y'all later. Bye.